pop-up book. Hello! Today we're going to pick vegetables from our vegetable garden. This is a tomato vine. A tomato is actually a fruit, even though most people call it a vegetable. These little tomatoes are called cherry tomatoes. Carrots are vegetables that grow underground. We have to pull them up and wash off all the dirt before eating them. Refrigerator, I think you're confused. This is a story about vegetables, not refrigerators. Cucumbers grow in our garden too. Like tomatoes, they grow on vines. Silly refrigerator! This is a story about picking vegetables from a garden. I'm not sure why you keep popping in. Cabbage is another wonderful vegetable that we can find in our garden. It has big green leaves that are yummy to eat either raw or cooked. Again? Maybe this refrigerator thinks it's a vegetable. These are pepper plants. Green peppers are growing on one, and red peppers are growing on the other. Hi, refrigerator. I'm not sure that you have a place in this story about vegetables. Picking vegetables is fun and makes for delicious meals. But where should we keep all these yummy vegetables until it's time to cook them? Oh, of course! I'm the silly one! We can keep the vegetables in the refrigerator. That will keep them fresh until we're ready to cook them. See you next time!